We have a severe thunderstorm warning that has been issued for Hardin County. This does include the Savannah area. They dropped the severe thunderstorm warning that was south of Savannah, but we still have a warning in effect for Hardin County. This is for the central part of Hardin County until 3:30 this afternoon. This is for the potential of 60-mile-per-hour winds and quarter-size hail. Tornadoes are not a big threat today, so we don't have to worry about that. But again, it's all very possible that we could have one or two spin-up tornadoes this afternoon. And I'll show you that outlook in a minute. These storms are flaring up rather quickly. So this is coming off of Columbus. I believe this comes out of Memphis, though. Yeah, this comes out of Memphis. So I want to go to the Memphis radar site. Oh, it looks like it may be farther away, but anyway. And these storms are not moving very fast, so flooding could be a little bit of a concern this afternoon and into the evening hours. Yeah, maybe it's better if we get the Columbus radar site. And again, you can see more strong winds than rotation, but there is just a little bit of broad rotation. But again, we're looking at possibly strong winds, gusting up to 60 miles per hour. And then Walnut Grove, there's a little bit of rotation down there. And again, we could get these broad areas of couplets that wouldn't necessarily produce a tornado very quickly, but if they get stronger, they could definitely have the potential to produce a tornado. So, again, and then we have a severe thunderstorm warning for Wayne County. That is north of Waynesboro. Not really seeing any rotation there. That just has a significant weather advisory. If I said a warning, I meant a significant weather advisory. And again, that will be heading towards Hohenwald. And again, over towards Lawrenceburg maybe very shortly, at least the north parts of Lawrenceburg. There's a good storm over Centerville right now. We have a significant weather advisory for Cape Girardeau County until 3:30. Yeah, until 3:30. And I want to take a look at these storms in Kentucky. They are not severe yet, but at times they have gotten kind of, I guess you could say, kind of close to severe. And this has a little bit of a hookish shape near Eddyville. And we're starting to see just a little bit broad rotation, just very broad rotation. I want to put this on replay here real quickly. So you can kind of see it's been a little kind of pixelated, a little messy. But there is some very broad rotation. And that will head towards Delaney and then Princeton. And then we have storms in eastern Callaway County that are moving out of Callaway County, headed towards Stewart and then Trigg County. Not really seeing any rotation with that. And then you can see that just updated, we are still seeing a little bit of rotation moving out of Lyon County, heading towards the Princeton, Kentucky area in Caldwell County. So again, I want to put a track on this storm. Again, this is for central Hardin County. This does include the Savannah area. Then again, I believe it was east at 30. Yeah, east at 30. All right. These storms are not moving like super fast, so flooding could be a little bit of an issue. I put probably about a 45-minute track on that. So you can see some of the areas that will be impacted. Houston at 3:31. Houston, Tennessee, not Texas. Waynesboro 3:52. Topsy 4:06. Ashland 4:10. And Laurel Hill at 4:22. So again, and oh yeah, by the way, I almost forgot. I need to show you the outlook, because that's particularly interesting as well. So let me show you the outlook here. And you can see if you're in western Kentucky, just west of Paducah, Mayfield, Murray, Madisonville, you all are in a marginal risk of severe weather. But if you're in Nashville, Gallatin area south, Waynesboro, Huntsville, Chattanooga, Murfreesboro, although Chattanooga is out of our viewing area, but just giving you an idea of the areas that are in a slight risk. And then Murfreesboro and Cokeville, you are also in a slight risk. And again, a severe thunderstorm watch goes until 8 p.m. for most of the viewing area tonight in Tennessee and Alabama. All right. Any new warnings, I'll be back on right away. until then, I think I'm gonna sign off here, and we'll give you updates as more come in. But for right now, gonna sign off.